I'm like so thirsty. It's too hot to be doing try on hauls, y'all. I'm sweating. I just tried everything on for y'all, but I care, so I'm doing it for you guys. But it's hot as hell.
Yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard P.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my first try on haul on this channel. So if you don't know, there's this online thrift store that I didn't even know existed. And I really like thrifting. I just never seem to find like good places near me. So I found an online one. I didn't know this place existed. You probably heard of it. I know there are some YouTubers that use this. It's called Thredup. No, this is not sponsored because again, we're not big like that yet. I already opened it. I know I'm a savage. I'm actually super impressed by everything that they had. They had brand name things. I mean, accessories, bags, all of it. And I think that's it. It was super easy, super affordable. I was shocked. A lot of the shirts that I got were like $7.99. I'll insert the prices as we go because I don't know it off the top of my head. So I'm going to insert them when I edit this. It's really easy to navigate. You can input your sizes, and because there's so much clothes, you can actually filter it by your sizes, so you can filter out anything that's not gonna fit. I got mostly shirts because I am in the transition, like I'm in the losing weight. First up, I got this shirt. This one has a tag on it. It says, ooh, queen, an individual who is working it. Yes, queen. That's crazy. I never even noticed that. That's so cute. But this is from Forever 21 and it says feeling good. I thought it was cute, little stripes. It's red, simple, easy for the summer. I don't have enough summer clothes. This shirt is a large. This tank top from Charlotte Russe is also a large. And I really like this color. I think it's really cute. This tank top, oh, muscle tee. It's more like, right? Is that what they're called? I like it. It's super soft. Oh, this is an extra large. Oh, that makes sense. There is roomy, but I don't mind my stuff being oversized. Next is this shirt from, oh, Forever 21. Really? Huh. So I thought this was super cute. It's cropped and it has this nice like pattern. And then on the back, it's a zipper, right? And it's like not really turtleneck, but it kind of comes up a little bit. Next, also Forever 21. Wow, I didn't realize how many Forever 21 stuff I got. It says, I am everything I need. I love the shade of yellow and facts. You feel me? Energy. This is pure energy. This is probably one of my favorites. It's from Charlotte Russe. I think y'all gonna realize I like stripes in this video. But this is what it looks like. It's long sleeves. You're also probably being like, you just said you have no summer clothes and it's summer, and I got a lot of long sleeves stuff. This is a large. This was a large. And this was a large. If you can't tell, I'm a size large. Is this Disney shirt? It's from Disney, like it's an official Disney. It says Hakuna Matata, and we got Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba. But it's super comfortable, baggy. It's soft material and it's lightweight. It's also one of my favorite things I got. This is in the size large. Faster, stronger, healthier, happier, because you know I'm in a new stage in my life. This is a real muscle tee. I think I do have to wear a tank top or something, or honestly a sports bra is fine under it. I just wouldn't wear my regular bra under it because you can clearly see it, but if it's a sports bra or a tank top, it's fine. Absolutely love this. This is a large. This is from Forever 21 also, but it's super simple, super cute. You could style it with anything. And then I got these pants. This is from Charlotte Russe, I believe, and this is an extra large. So I thought it was gonna fit, and it does fit. It's a little tight around my thighs, but it's super cute. I got it because I also got another shirt that I'm gonna show you, and I thought it goes well. The bottoms are a little like wide. This is from Moda International. I think that I'm saying that right. So this is what it looks like. I like the stitching look to it and the button downs, and there's another long sleeves. And I got the same shirt in brown because I thought the chocolate color would look nice on my skin tone. And I don't have many shirts. I don't think I have anything in brown actually, but it's the same shirt, just in brown. And they're both larges. Next is this shirt from Forever 21. It is also a large and it's cropped. It's tight cropped. It's not like baggy cropped. It says Tokyo, super cute. And that's what I am just in my head, this top with these pants, like it just, not that shirt. It just, I think it's cute. I don't know. I know it's not the same color, like this is more of a burgundy, but I just think I can make this work with a cute bag and some accessories. Listen, it's a vision. I got a vision. You'll see. And then finally, this is the only thing that I did not show in the try on haul because it is really tight. It's a large and I am a large, so I don't know why this was so tight, but it's Victoria's Secret and it's a sports bra. I thought it was super cute because I like the pattern and the colors, and it's stretchy, so I don't get it. I guess I just needed an extra large in it, but I am a large in, well, sports bras anyway. But again, I'm in transitioning to losing weight, so anything that's a little tight back there this time next year, well, a lot of those can be used in the winter, and if you don't know, you should get your winter stuff in the summer because it's cheaper. So a lot of this stuff was extra on sale when it was already cheap. By the time I can wear those comfortably, because it's not a heat stroke, it'll be, I'll have lost my weight. It'll be mad winter. What? It'll be very cold by the time, I don't know what I'm trying to say anymore. Did you subscribe yet? Did you like the video yet? I know you didn't. It's okay. But you should definitely like, comment, and subscribe. On to try on. For this video. Let me know what pieces you like the most. Let me know if you try Thredup or if you're gonna go on Thredup because it's sustainable. I like that. It's secondhand and I love thrifting. You can find some real gems. Honestly, you gotta be careful though. It's an addiction. I was able to do a try on haul. At first I only ordered like 3 items. I went back on. They had uploaded new things like 2 days later. And I had to get it because when you see something you fall in love with, that's it. You have to get it before somebody else gets it. And once you add it to your cart, it's in your cart for 24 hours. So you better check that bad boy out. I stopped. Be careful. We will get sucked in and be on it for hours because it was bad. If you like this video, that gives me a reason to do it again and buy more clothes. So please give me a reason to spend my money. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all like this video, I will do another one please give me a reason to justify getting more from this website. Because I will do another try on haul if there's any other brands you want me to try, because I am a thicker female. I know some people that do the try on hauls on YouTube, a lot of them are not my size, so it's cool to be able to do this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see more, what brand you want me to try out that you're not sure about, and I'll try it. But that is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.